Hello again. This is going to be computer update number 2. Today we're going to be looking in depth at my main computer because I love my main computer. So anyways, I'm gonna go inside now. So anyways, here is the Intel Core 2 Duo E7500 running at 2.93 gigahertz with a front side bus speed of 1066 megahertz with a 3 megabyte of level 2 cache. This one supports virtualization technology unlike some E7500 models. And along with this, I'm using the Cooler Master Vortex Plus. Yeah, there you go, Cooler. Sweet. And then there's the Cooler Master 550 watt Vortex Plus CPU. Power supply. I love Cooler Master. And then there's the standard USB 2.0 PCI ports because I need more USB 2.0 ports. And here's one of my 1 stick of 2 gigabyte of PNY DDR2 800 PC2 6400 memory with a heatsink spreader, which is nice. And this one is running the Gigabyte motherboard GAG41-ES2L. I can't really find the model number for this one, unfortunately. Anyways, see how nice it is now after the cables were cramped in here today. I actually got a chance to organize the cables a little bit and reinstalled a 120mm fan to cool the hard drive better because they were running at 110 degrees, which is bad for them. Anyways, and then I still use the old school IDE DVD burner. Well, it works, so why not? And it's running an IDE, I think it's ATA66 or 33, and then my Hitachi 500 gigabyte DeskStar 7K100 3.5 inch 500 gigabyte hard drive that I use for my main OS Windows 7 Professional. And this hard drive also has a 16 megabyte cache running at SATA 3 gigabytes per second. And then here's my Western Digital 1.5 gigabyte per second SATA hard drive for my backup storage, videos and other junk. And this one's at 120 gigabyte and it has a cache of 8 megabytes and running at 7200 RPM for both of them. And and then this card reader stuff, pretty amazing. The card reader for the SD card apparently isn't corresponding with my OS, or it's not playing nice because whenever I plug in my SD card, the OS doesn't detect it. So after I re-plug the USB from USB port, I want to see if it works. So we're gonna try it with a 128 megabyte SD card. This is not an SDHC card, just a standard regular SD. I'm gonna plug in into the SD card slot. There you go. Then we're gonna come to Windows, and then we're gonna ignore what that one says, and then we're gonna go to my computer. Let's see. Yes, it's there. Woohoo! It's there. So anyways, let's see if I can actually flip this computer around without causing any major damage. Oh, and this is my Western Digital 250 gigabyte 2.5 inch SATA hard drive. Buffalo mainly, because Buffalo is the distributor of this portable hard drive. And then I got this Apricorn easy upgrade SATA/IDE to 2.5 inch to USB, via 2.5 inch hard drive. And then on the back, let me get this light. One sec. Light. On the back you have the power supply intake, and then you have a traditional PS2 keyboard and mouse, which I don't use. You have a serial port, which I don't use either, and a parallel port, which I don't use. I used to use NVIDIA 8400GS, but it's noisy. I'm trying to build a quiet PC, so I just instead use my integrated Intel X4500 graphics via the Intel G41 Express chipset. And the 4 USB ports are fully occupied, and a 1 GB Ethernet, and just standard 5.1 channels surround sound, and my additional 4-port USB, and that white USB cable goes to a Samsung video presenter. If I can turn on, there you go. Now you see. Anyways, I'm going to upload this right now. Oh, and I'm going to show you the camera I'm using right now. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hello again. I'm recording from my old camera that I used on my first computer update. Pretty interesting that look. Anyways, I just want to say this camera that I'm holding right now on this hand is the one that I'm currently using, because this one supports widescreen high definition 1080p at 30 frames per second, but I'm running this at 720p at 60 frames per second because the SD card I bought was a class 4, so which isn't fast enough to run 1080p video. So anyways, back to my computer review. Anyways, this was the camera that I was using, and I will be using from now on because of the high definition quality. And this camera is going bye-bye. Although I'm not going to throw it away, I'm still going to keep it just in case I need to use it for something else. Anyways, I'm going to sign out now, and I still have my original Pentium 3 running my weather station stuff, and then here's hard disk Centennial monitoring my disk, and here's my other PC that I'm going to prepare. Actually, it's already prepared for just in case this Pentium 3 fails, so that I can get my weather data up and running ASAP while I manage to get this fixed, or if I can get this fixed. I doubt it, but anyways, thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you later, folks. Goodbye.